Should I unplug my appliances during a shutoff? Have you ever wondered what to do with your appliances during a planned power shutoff? It's a great question, especially when it comes to keeping your home safe and your devices protected. Let's break down the reasons why unplugging your appliances is a smart move during these situations. When a planned power shutoff occurs, it's often related to safety measures during events like wildfires. This means that when the power comes back on, there can be sudden voltage spikes. These surges can harm sensitive electronics and appliances if they are still plugged in. By unplugging them, you completely eliminate this risk. Another important reason to unplug is to prevent electrical fires. Appliances that have heating elements, such as coffee makers or toaster ovens, can be particularly dangerous if they are left plugged in. If they accidentally turn on during a power restoration or malfunction, they could start a fire. Unplugging these devices removes that danger altogether. Additionally, many appliances consume a small amount of energy even when they are turned off but still plugged in. This is known as standby power consumption or phantom load. By unplugging your appliances, you conserve energy and reduce wear on the devices, which can help them last longer. So, what should you do before a planned shutoff? Start by unplugging all non-essential appliances and electronics. This not only protects them from potential damage but also reduces the risk of fire. For essential devices that you need to keep plugged in, consider using surge protectors. However, unplugging is still the safest option during outages. Once the power is restored, plug your appliances back in gradually. This helps avoid overloading your circuits, which can happen if too many devices are turned on at once. It's also wise to keep essential survival equipment, like battery chargers or radios, plugged into surge-protected outlets. Having alternative power sources ready can be a lifesaver in emergencies. In summary, unplugging your appliances during a planned power shutoff is a practical step for safety and energy conservation. It protects your equipment, reduces the risk of fires, and helps you stay prepared for any emergency situation. By taking these precautions, you can ensure that your home remains safe and your devices are in good condition when the power comes back on.